Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 29 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends up at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to build along with me this 1/8 scale die-cast Partwork, head over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Bop, and you too can be building the madmax V8 Interceptor. Yes, folks. Right, let's have a quick scope through this week's magazine and see what we got. We're going to be doing the rear right wheel, folks. This is where it's going on our Falcons. So we got the internal and external parts of the wheel rim, as well as the wheel nuts and some DS2 screws, okay? We're going to be putting that together today. Literally drop that inside, as you can see there, enclose within the rings, and then fasten with 3 DS02 screws. And then you can drop the wheel nut assembly in to give you the effect of the chrome wheel nuts. And this is our completed assembly, folks. Nice, concise, very simple and easy to follow instructions, so we shouldn't go wrong. Even I can do this. Next up, we got the custom made. We got Bill Hines remembered, known by various nicknames, including the Lead Slinger and the Godfather of Hydraulics. He was a legend in the world of car customizing, pioneering many of the essential aspects of customization that are still in use today. Give these a read, folks. You can find out a few snippets of information, folks. So that's what we've got. And then obviously coming up next time is going to be the rear tyre. Okay, so we'll need a bowl of warm water for that, for the next one. So let's just move the magazine out of the way. Bring our bits and pieces in, like so. We got our 3 screws and we got some oil just off to one side. So we're going to spin these around like so. And then we can fit the inner hub over the wheel like so. So we just want to grab this. Make sure we're pulling it in the right way. We want it with the spindle facing inwards. Just double check the instructions. That's how you want it, folks, okay? With the spindle facing up. We'll grab that just like so. You've got a little key there. Goes in that little woodruff key like so, okay? And rest that over them pegs. That's simple, folks. Then can close the other piece over the top, just like so. Make sure it all lines up with its appropriate holes, and then that will then now close flush, okay? Then grab our screws. We'll put a bit of oil on, just like that. Drop that on there. Pick the wheel up. And then we can start screwing them in place. Fully home them. A little bit of oil. Same again on this one. And by powers of deduction, we should have one left. And drop that in place, just like that. And that is that wheel together. Well, we've got our 5 wheel nut system there going in place. Just press that in place, spin them round, and just press that in. And that will now give us a rather sexy looking rear wheel, folks. So that's what we're up to today. That's that issue done. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to the Hachette website, click the link in the description below, and you too can be building along with me this iconic Mad Max car. In the meantime, to help me out and keep the channel alive, Give Little Fester a click there and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me grow. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of all future content that comes up on the channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you next time. Bye-bye.